we have loaded the fatality data, and if we browse our data in the data editor browse, then we can see that we have state name. Let's see, we have state name down here, and for each state we have 7 different years of data, and we have, for all of these 48 states, we have 7 sets of data. So our what comes into mind is that we can run a panel data regression on this to account for omitted variables. What we have to do first is to encode the state name, because now this is a string variable. And you can see that on the red color, or you can go here to the variables manager and click it, and you see that state name is a string. It's text. So what we can do is to use the encode, which is using the encode function, and our variable which should be encoded is state name, and we should generate a new variable called state code. So if we run this code, we see at the bottom that we have state code, which is the state name, but it's encoded. If we go here to the variables manager, we see that at the bottom we have state name, and it's not a string anymore, so it's not text, it's long, which is a number. And how does it look? It actually looks something like this. It's colored by a blue color, so you know it's not a string, it's a number. So here you have the code. What this procedure does is that it sorts the state names alphabetically, and then it assigns the number 1, 2, 3, and so on for all the state names. So AL, it's Alabama, it's the first state alphabetically sorted, so this contains the number 1. And Arizona is the second in the alphabet, and this would contain the number 2. We are now ready to perform our panel data regression.